just give the basic idea about the digital marketing. Digital marketing అంటే ఏంటి, డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ నేర్చుకోవడం వల్ల మనకి ఏంటి ఉపయోగం, అండ్ డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ నేర్చుకుంటే మనకు కెరీర్ అనేది ఎలా ఉంటుంది. సో ఐ జస్ట్ గివ్ ఏ బ్రీఫ్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ అబౌట్ దిస్ వన్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, వాట్ ఈస్ డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్? అసలు డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ అంటే ఏంటి? డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ రీచింగ్ ద కస్టమర్ యూజింగ్ డిజిటల్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్. సో మనకు గూగుల్ కావచ్చు, యూట్యూబ్, ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్, ట్విట్టర్, ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఆన్లైన్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ అన్నమాట. ఓకే, ఇలా ఆన్లైన్లో డిజిటల్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ యూజ్ చేసి కస్టమర్కి రీచ్ అయ్యే దాన్నే డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ అంటారు. అది కూడా రిగార్డింగ్ ఏ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆర్ సర్వీస్, ఏదైనా ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ పరంగా కావచ్చు లేదా సర్వీస్ పరంగా కావచ్చు, రీచింగ్ ద కస్టమర్ త్రూ డిజిటల్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ అనేది డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ అంటారు. ఇక్కడ మరి డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ లో స్కోప్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే, మనం ఈ కోర్స్ నేర్చుకుంటే మనకు కెరీర్ స్కోప్ అనేది ఏ విధంగా ఉంటుంది అంటే, డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ అనేది ఈ రోజున ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా వన్ ఆఫ్ ద టాప్ మోస్ట్ డిమాండింగ్ స్కిల్. ఓకే, సో మనకు ప్రపంచంలో అతి తక్కువ స్కిల్స్ లో డిమాండింగ్ స్కిల్స్ అనేది ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి మనకు, వాటిలో ఇది కూడా వన్ ఆఫ్ ద టాప్ మోస్ట్ డిమాండింగ్ స్కిల్. అండ్ డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ సైడ్ మనకి ఏంటంటే డిమాండ్ ఈజ్ మోర్ వెన్ కంపేర్ టు సప్లై, అంటే జాబ్ ఓపెనింగ్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి అనమాట. డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్స్ తో పోలిస్తే జాబ్ ఓపెనింగ్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి. సో దానివల్ల మనం డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ నేర్చుకొని జాబ్ పరంగా మనం కెరీర్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలన్నా కానీ వీ కెన్ స్టార్ట్ అవర్ కెరియర్ ఇమీడియట్లీ. ఓకే, సో ఈ రోజు మీరు నౌకరీ కానీ ఇండియడ్ ఇలాంటి వెబ్సైట్స్ చూసినట్లయితే వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ మోర్ దాన్ 25 lakh జాబ్ ఓపెనింగ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ త్రూఅవుట్ ద ఇండియా అండ్ అబ్రాడ్. ఓకే, అండ్ వీ కెన్ కిక్ స్టార్ట్ యువర్ కెరీర్ ఇమీడియట్లీ. మనం ఎప్పుడైతే డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ నేర్చుకుంటామో వీ నో నీడ్ టు వెయిట్ టు స్టార్ట్ ద కెరియర్, ఇమీడియట్ గా మనం మన కెరీర్ ని స్టార్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో మనకు డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ లో గ్రోత్ అనేది బాగుంటుంది. అండ్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద డిఫరెంట్ కెరీర్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఇన్ డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్. మనం ఏదైనా ఒక కోర్స్ అనేది ఎందుకు నేర్చుకుంటాం? ఒకటి నాలెడ్జ్ పెంచుకోవడం కోసం, రెండు ఆ పర్టికులర్ కోర్స్ సంబంధించిన ఏదైనా ఒక కెరీర్ కోసం. ఓకే, మనం ఏదైనా వేరే కోర్స్ నేర్చుకున్నప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే జాబ్ ఈస్ ద ఓన్లీ కెరీర్ ఆప్షన్ ఫర్ అస్. సపోజ్ ఆర్కెల్ కావచ్చు, ఎస్ఐపి కావచ్చు, లేదా టెస్టింగ్ టూల్స్ ఇలాంటి ఏదైనా మీరు నేర్చుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, మనకు కెరీర్ అనేది ఓన్లీ జాబ్ పరంగానే ఉంటుంది. సో అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ జాబ్ వీ కాంట్ డూ ఎనీ అదర్ థింగ్స్. వేర్ ఇన్ డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ కెరీర్ ఆప్షన్స్. మనకు మల్టిపుల్ కెరీర్ ఆప్షన్స్ అనేది ఉంటాయి ఇక్కడ. అవి ఏంటంటే, let us say 90% of the people who are already doing job and more than 90% of the people who are already searching for job, they don't know the abbreviation for the job. So the job abbreviation is nothing but join others business. Okay, and so here for job purpose, the people who are searching for job here, who are looking for the job in this career, so we are giving an opportunity also, especially for the freshers as well as for the people who are having career gap. Okay, so we do have tie-up with almost a lot of companies here, more than 30 plus companies. I have personally tie-up in this my 12 years of my business journey. So I will show the job for you immediately after completing this course. Okay, apart from that, you can start your freelancing works. Freelancing is nothing but work from home opportunity. You can get the project throughout the world by sitting in front of the computer in your house. You can do that work in part time and you can submit the work to the client. You can earn the money here. So there are websites called, I will show you, fiverr.com, freelancer.com, such kind of websites are there where you can register here for free of cost. We can sell our skills, what you know. Let us say if you know a little bit of digital marketing skills, whatever the digital skills you are having, you can sell that skill in online, working from home, and you can earn money as a freelancer here. Next, online earnings. Obviously, online earnings is one of the best platform, especially for the people who want to earn passive income. Okay, so there are more ways are there. I will explain you about these concepts also in some time, because I am personally earning these online earnings. My current monthly income is approximately around in between 10 to 15 lakhs per month I am getting by using these online earnings. I show my proofs also. So then final one is my own business. You can start your own business also because of these digital marketing skills. Okay, so normally if you want to start your own business, a lot of people will say that investment required like that, but here without any investment you can start your own business also. Okay, and these are the main modules of digital marketing. These are the top 4 modules and remaining everything are sub modules. Okay, SEO is nothing but search engine optimization. So which means a lot of people, if they want to find some information, they are searching in Google nowadays. Am I right? So while we are searching something in Google, a lot of websites will come. For example, here if I am searching for spoken English course, okay, I just started searching for spoken English course and you can find 25 crores, 30 lakh websites came totally. Okay, for this spoken English course keyword, 25 crores, 30 lakh websites came. Out of these websites, if our website has to come in Google first position, you need to do the SEO for our website. Okay, so the people who are searching for find the information, a lot of websites are coming. Out of those websites, only the websites which is coming in topmost position, for that websites only demand will be more. So we have to make the SEO for our website in order to make our website to come in Google first position. That is called SEO. Next one is SEM, search engine marketing. SEM is nothing but normally the company will pay the money to Google to display their advertisements in Google search results. Again, here you can see these four are ads. First one is ad, and ad. First four are advertisements, and here whatever you are getting, all these results are SEO results only. You can see here, you can see the ad. Okay, so these are all SEO results. So I'll show you here. These are SEO results, which are organic results, and these are SEM results, which is paid traffic. Okay, next one is SMO, social media optimization. Normally social media in the sense Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all these are social media. Am I right? But here everybody knows how to post on social media nowadays. Especially you know how to post on Facebook, you know how to post on Instagram, you know how to post on WhatsApp, everything. But the thing is, there is special platforms available where you can research and do this work. Normally, the digital marketing specialist will post in a different way. I'll show you a small example in SMO. If you are searching something in Google like best time to post on Facebook, you will get a separate timings here. So like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that, and timing morning to evening. And you can see dark color is with highest engagement and light color is with lowest engagement. Engagement is nothing but getting more views, likes, shares, comments. Okay, so if you want to do some social media posting, like if you want to do on Facebook posting, there is a particular time available for each and every day. Let us say that if you want to post on Tuesday, you can find this is the dark color and these two are dark color when compared to other places, which means morning 10 o'clock and afternoon 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock are the best time to post on Facebook on Tuesday. Like this, we have to do on particular time so that our post will go and reach multiple people. The more the people will watch, more the business will get. Okay. Next, SMM, social media marketing. While you are watching something in your Facebook, you can see the sponsors will come like this. Okay. So which means they will pay the money to Facebook to reach the targeted audiences. The people who likes our product or who likes our service, we will show the advertisement only for that people. In SMM, there is a remarketing ad is also available. Like if you are opening some website in Google Chrome, okay, let us say if you open some Make My Trip or some other website, after sometimes if you open the Facebook account, what will happen? Whatever the website you watched previously, that website related ad will come in your Facebook account also. So did you ever face this kind of situations? So these are all possible with remarketing advertisements. It will be helpful in SMM, social media marketing. It's a paid marketing again. Next, ORM is nothing but online reputation management. Here in online, we have to increase the reputation for our business. For example, you want to purchase a laptop, okay? So మీరు laptop purchase చేయాలనుకున్నప్పుడు, you saw the laptop in Amazon. Simultaneously, you watch the laptop in some other website. Same laptop. Let us say you find Lenovo laptop worth 25,000 in Amazon, and the same laptop you find in some other website which you are not aware of it. Just for the first time you are opening that website. If you want to purchase that laptop, using which platform you will purchase, whether you will purchase in Amazon or you will purchase in a new website which you are not aware of it. Mostly people go for Amazon only. Am I right? So why? Because of having trust on Amazon, because of having reputation of the Amazon. So how to build the trust or how to build the reputation for our business through online? That's what ORM, online reputation management. Okay. Next, as I told you, we can earn money in online also. So these are the best ways to earn money online. One is Google AdSense. Next one is Amazon Associates. Third one is affiliate marketing. And fourth one is Amazon FBA. So the first three concepts will comes under blogging and vlogging. So you know what is blogging? Blogging is nothing but sharing the information using websites are called blogging. Simultaneously, sharing the information using YouTube channel is called blogging. For example, if I am searching for something like best washing machine in India in 2021, you can find a lot of information will come. Some other peoples like us, they will share the information in these websites. Simultaneously, if you are searching something in YouTube and you are finding that information, that is called vlogging, which means sharing the information using YouTube channel is called vlogging. By using these two methods, we can earn lots of money here. A lot of people, they are earning some lakhs of rupees, including myself. So, and next one is Amazon FBA. It will comes under e-commerce. I'll give you a brief explanation about all these concepts. First one is Google AdSense. Google AdSense is one of the easiest way for the starters, because the people who want to earn money through online, I will suggest Google AdSense initially, because you can earn money easily by using Google AdSense. First of all, how Google will pay the money for us? Here, Google will pay the money to website owners or YouTube channel owners for displaying their advertisements in our website or YouTube videos. You can see this is one of my website where you can find two ads are coming in my website in this particular page. You can see this is one ad and this is one ad. You can see two ads are coming here. Simultaneously, you know how the ads will come in YouTube channel. Okay, some skip ads will come like this. So Google will pay the amount to these website owners or YouTube channel owners for displaying their advertisements. So Google will pay in two ways. One is CPM, another thing is CPC. CPM is nothing but cost per impressions, which means cost per 1,000 users watch the advertisement. Simultaneously, the people who are watching the advertisements, if they click on that ad, will get extra money. That is called CPC, cost per click. You can see in my website, in this particular page, two ads are coming. Let us say one person is coming to my website in this page. So two ads are coming. I got two impressions. By using this page, if they click on any link, for example, if they click this link or this link, they'll go to some other page, and there some 2 to 3 ads again displayed. So which means here 2 ads, and in that page 3 ads. So from one person, I got 5 impressions. Like that, Google will pay for 1,000 impressions. Then, how much does Google AdSense pay per page view? You can see depends upon the traffic quality. You can expect anywhere between $1 to $3 for 1,000 impressions. Traffic quality is nothing but if the people who are coming to our website, if they're coming from tier 1 countries like US, UK, Canada, Australia, will get some big amount. If they are coming from tier 4 countries like India, Nigeria, we'll get some less amount. But totally we'll get average of $1 to $3 per 1,000 impressions, which means more the people are coming to our website, more the income we can generate. Simultaneously, you can see how much does Google AdSense pay per YouTube 1,000 views. So we will get $3 to $5 per 1,000 video views in average. Okay, you can see in this video example, it's a small guitar related video, which this video owner is Yellow Brick Cinema Relaxing Music. This is the channel name. He got 82 million views for this video. We'll give a small calculation here. 82, 962, 147. These are the views which he got for this video divided by 1,000, because Google will pay for 1,000 impressions. How much? 82,962. Which means if you make average 1,000 views $1, he got $82,000, approximately more than 57 lakhs in India. With a single video, they earned this much of money, because even though you are sleeping, your videos will work for you. Even though you are sleeping, your website will work for you. More the people are watching your videos, more the income we can generate. Like that, this is called the passive way of income. Okay. Next thing, these are the top bloggers in India who choose blogging as their career. Okay. So he is Harish Agarwal, Shraddha Sharma, and he is Amit Agarwal, who is getting Amit Agarwal running a website called labnal.org. earning $60,000 per month. So I will show in live this one. You can see top bloggers in India and their earnings. You can see Amit Agarwal running labdan.org and getting $60,000 from this website. You can see this website. He will keep share about the technology related information in his website here. You see, this is his website. Okay. And you can see the Google ads are running in his website. Ads by Google. Okay. Ads by Google. So he is earning like this. Like that, we too can start our own website or YouTube channel and we can earn money like this. So I will, don't worry, I will explain you how to start your own website, how to design a website without any coding knowledge, and how to open the videos, how to open a YouTube channel for free of cost. Because if you want to open a YouTube channel, it's completely zero investment. You don't need to put at least 1 rupee also. You don't need to invest at least 1 rupee also. But a lot of people, they will get doubts are, how can I get the videos? How can I make the videos? So you can, if you can able to make your own videos, you can make the videos, or else there is a shortcut. I'll give you a small shortcut today here. If you want some videos, you can find the existing videos in online already, which is available in online. Those videos you can reuse in your own YouTube channel. So then how to find those videos which we can able to reuse? It is not having the copyrights. I'll show you here. For example, if I want to put something like meditation, okay, search here. You can see these are all the videos which came for meditation. Okay. If you want to keep a video related to meditation, go to filters here. Okay. In that you can see Creative Commons. In features column, you can see Creative Commons. Click on the Creative Commons. Then videos will refresh and new videos will come here. You can see these are all the videos which you can reuse without any copyrights. For example, I will open any one of these videos. Just open this video and scroll down.
Whatever your web hosting needs may be.
Click on show more in the description. In this description, you can find the license type is Creative Commons Attribution License, reuse allowed. So that video people itself saying that it's a reusable video, we can reuse for free of cost. We can directly download this video and we can edit this video if you want, and you can upload in our own YouTube channel here. If you want to download the video, just go to this link. You can see this is the link of this video. Go to Y, before the letter Y, just give SS and click enter. Automatically download option will come for our video. Download the video here and we can use this video for free of cost. You can see the download button came. Simultaneously, there is a website called pixels.com where you can able to find a lot of images and videos without any copyrights. That's again with meditation. Go to videos, around 2,870 videos are there. You can download any one of this video for free of cost, and we can edit these videos if you're having editing software, and we can use this video in our own YouTube channel. So like this, we can do a lot of work. So here I'm going to explain the shortcuts to get success in online, shortcuts to earn money through online. Okay. The next one is Amazon Associates. This is one of the best way to earn money online. So Amazon, in the sense, a lot of people, they think that we have to purchase the products here. It's a e-commerce. Of course, it's an e-commerce business, but we can earn money from Amazon by referring the products of Amazon. Let us say that just open Amazon Associates and register for free of cost in this Amazon Associates website. Then start referring the products. If you, whatever the product you are referring to your friends through WhatsApp or email or Facebook or whatever it is, if anybody is purchasing the products from through your link, Amazon will give the commission for you. Okay. So here a lot of people will get doubt. Sir, if the people who want to purchase the product from Amazon, they will directly go to Amazon and they will purchase. Why they have to come towards our website, or why they have to come to our YouTube channel? Yes, it's a good question only, but the thing is, before we are going to purchase any products in Amazon, mostly people will research on reviews. They'll go for reviews and ratings. Am I right? Let us say that if you want to purchase mobile phone, whether you will directly go to Amazon and blindly purchase the phone, or else you will do some research, which is the best phone under this budget like that. Mostly people go for the research. Like that, if the people who are searching with best washing machine in India in 2021 or something like that, and best washing machine under 20,000, our websites also will come like this in Google. So people will go to our website. This information I collect from Amazon website itself. You can scroll here. You can use advantages and disadvantages and click the buy at Amazon. I have put the buy at Amazon button here. Once you click on buy at Amazon button, you will directly go to Amazon. If you purchase the product, I'll get the commission. First thing. Second thing, you click buy at Amazon button, you went to Amazon, but you didn't purchase the washing machine, but you purchased some other website here. I mean, some other product here. Even though you purchase some other product, I'll get the commission. Whatever the product you purchase, in that category, how much of commission I'll get, that commission, Amazon will pay the money for me. Okay. In third case, so which means Amazon will give the amount for total cart value, not only for the individual product. Okay. In third case, if you click on buy at Amazon here, you went to Amazon website, you like the product, you plan to purchase the product. Once you took your credit card or debit card, whatever it is, while you are trying to make the payment, at that time you got a call, emergency call. So saying that just come to office immediately, something like that, you got an office call. What you will do, you will shut down the computer or laptop, you will go to office. Evening, once you came back to home, what you will do, you will directly go to Amazon and you purchase the product, because you already know what is the best product. Am I right? You didn't came to my website. Second time you directly went to Amazon and you purchased. Even though I'll get the commission. So you know how I'll get the commission here? Once you click on buy at Amazon button here, Amazon will generate a cookie in your browser. So where Amazon cookie exists for 24 hours, which means whoever is clicking my link here, this is my referral link, they went to Amazon. So if they purchase the product, or if we directly going to Amazon purchasing the product in the span of 24 hours, I'll get the money here. Okay. Simultaneously, I'm promoting Amazon.com also, because earn in dollars rather than rupees is my slogan. So better to sit in front of your computer in your home and earn money in dollars. If you're promoting Amazon in Indian websites, you can get the money directly to our bank account. But if you're promoting other country websites, there is a separate payment mode is there. You can see if you are promoting Amazon.com or Amazon.ca Canada, Amazon.au Australia, they will pay in three ways. One is pay me by direct deposit, pay me by gift card, and pay me by check. Most of the Indians, they will go for check. But the thing is, if you're going for check, you have to earn at least 100 or above dollars, then only they will release the payment. But the check will take at least 25 to 30 days of time to reach India and to enhance the check. Whereas if you're going for gift card or bank transfer, only 10 or above $10 is enough, they will directly transfer to your amount to your account. But this is for US based associates only, which is American bank account holders only. So who will have that much of patience to wait for 30 days for check? So I have opened my bank account in America. This is my American bank account. You can see here. The bank name is First Century Bank. Routing number or ABA number. Routing number is nothing but IFSC code in India. So this is my account number. This is the checkings account. Account type. Account type is savings account and current account in India. Whereas in abroad, savings accounts and checkings account will be there. And Srikanth Damra is my name. Okay. So if you open the bank account in America, you no need to go to America today. By sitting in your apartment, by sitting in your hostel, or by sitting in your home, wherever you are, if you're having a PC with internet connection, you can open the bank account. These are all zero balance accounts. You no need to pay at least ₹1 also. So whatever the concepts I am saying to you, all are free concepts only. You no need to pay at least 1 penny also here. You no need to invest at least ₹1 also. But the thing is, you have to invest your time to do this work. Okay. And if you need any tools to do this work, if you need any softwares or something like that, which are premium tools I am using, you no need to purchase. I will give the tools for free of cost with you. Okay. So because I'm having unlimited license. For example, I am using Movavi for video editing, for my YouTube video editing. So if you want to go with Movavi Video Editor Plus, you have to make the payment here. I'll show you. Movavi Video Editor Plus. If you want to purchase this product, they will charge around 2000 rupees, but you don't need to purchase. I will for free of cost. Whatever the tools I am suggesting for you, so this is for one PC, 1 year license, sorry, lifetime license for one PC. As I am having unlimited license with me, I will give all the software for free of cost with you. Okay, again, you don't need to invest. So simultaneously, not only US bank account, I'm having bank account in 8 countries because I'm working with 8 countries: US, UK, Canada, Australia, Germany, Japan, China, and Mexico. These are the 8 countries I'm having bank accounts. So I will teach you in class how to open these bank accounts to receive your money which you are earning for abroad countries. And third one is affiliate marketing. You can see it's a process of getting paid by promoting some other people's product or service. అంటే వేరే వాళ్ళ ప్రోడక్ట్ ని కానీ సర్వీస్ ని కానీ రిఫర్ చేసి we can earn the money here, we can earn the commission. You will have a doubt here. So which means, sir, Amazon also same thing. Amazon also you are referring the products in Amazon and you are getting the commission, am I right? Amazon also will come under affiliate marketing, right? Of course, Amazon also will come under affiliate marketing. But why I have differentiated Amazon with other things means, promoting Amazon is very easy when compared to promoting an unknown company, because whenever the user is clicking on our link, if they are going for Amazon, they will think that, oh, this is Amazon, then we can blindly go and purchase. Whereas if it is a new website, they will think to purchase, am I right or not? But whatever the experience we got from Amazon by promoting Amazon, that experience we can use in other websites and we can get the sales also here. For example, whatever the website is offering affiliate marketing program, we can join them for free, we can promote them for free, and we can earn money from them for free. You can see this is one of my blog posts which I wrote about best WordPress sourcing products in 2019, like that. I have wrote a blog post. Here you can see the Google ad is running. I am promoting 3 companies personally. One is IOInvoice, second one is Bluehost, third one is GoDaddy. So here also Google AdSense is running. Okay, so my first source of income is already running in my website. Apart from that, if anybody is purchasing IOInvoice or if anybody is purchasing Bluehost, if they purchase the amount from my link, I'll get the commission. You can see this is the mail which I got. Congratulations, you have created $65 for your referral. If you are promoting bluehost.com, for sale they will pay $65 as a commission. So I got $65 here. So simultaneously you can see here, IOInvoice sent you $12, which we got 5-6 a.m. early morning 5 o'clock we got this mail. Again IOInvoice sent you $10, we got 4:52 a.m. Okay. Simultaneously I have one more website. Here I wrote about how to increase the sales on Amazon, because I am into e-commerce from past 6 years onwards. I am selling my own products in Amazon, Flipkart, and my own website. Okay. So I got the experience on how to do the sales in Amazon, as I have my own company, head office in Chennai. So I wrote a blog post on how to increase sales on Amazon on September 18, 2018. Okay. The people who are reading this blog post, they will see I wrote here, get ratings. Using a program like Feedback 5 and Kibli helps you to increase the ratings, like that I have wrote here. You can see here also my first source of income, Google Ads are running. Apart from that, if anybody is clicking Feedback 5 link or Kibli link, if they purchase the subscription, I'll get the money. You can see you have received 14.80 USD from Kibli by night 12:19 a.m. midnight 12 o'clock. I got this mail. You can see here, this is called passive income. Even though I'm getting sleep, even though I'm sleeping, my websites are working for me. My YouTube videos are working for me. It's generating income for me. So midnight 12 o'clock means most probably we will be in sleep. So morning, once we woke up, what the people will do? They will go for some news, or else they will open WhatsApp, Facebook, something like that. But you know what I will do? Whatever the amount I got while I am sleeping, like that, I will first check that one. So this is called the passive income. So now for last and final one is Amazon FBA. Here, Amazon FBA is nothing but selling your own products in Amazon using FBA option. Till now, we have promoted some other people products are getting the commission. So we got an experience here. By using this experience, what we can do, we can sell our own products on Amazon and we can earn money here. So I will teach you how to start an e-commerce business with or without any investment. Even without any investment also, you can start your own e-commerce business. Okay. So simultaneously, like buyer app, you can get the Amazon seller app also. Here you can check how many sales we got, how much of commission we are getting, everything we can track here. So recently, Amazon, what they did, they have opened a WhatsApp group for South Indian Amazon sellers. For Amazon sellers who are in Andhra, Telangana, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. So they have opened a WhatsApp group, and I am also one of the person in that group helping my co-Amazon sellers here. So I just kept some screenshots here. You can see the people, his name is Jay. He's from Hyderabad only. He's a Hyderabad Amazon seller, and he is saying something here. So people are keep asking the doubts and just keep helping her. You can see this, her name is Amrita Sindhuja. So she's a seller from Bangalore. She's just asking, I had a doubt about GST. Can I call you like that? So like that, I'm just supporting my co-Amazon sellers for friendly nature. Here, most probably the Amazon sellers, they don't know me personally, but indirectly they know because of this WhatsApp group. For the first time in 2018, I came to Hyderabad from my Chennai office. Here, I have given a message to in this group, hi sellers, I'm coming to Hyderabad. If anybody wants to meet me, and if anybody wants to clear your doubts, you can come and meet me to in this own address like that I have mentioned. And most of the people, they came to my office, okay, because I do have type with one institute here just to give the classes here. So they asked me for which reason you came to Hyderabad, sir. Then I told them that this is the purpose I came to Hyderabad. Then they too joined because they know only e-commerce concept. They don't know blogging. They don't know vlogging. They don't know other income source here. So they too joined in my course here. So my first batch students are maximum of Amazon sellers only. Okay. Here I will show you a small example. If you want to start your own Amazon selling business or your own e-commerce business, a small example I will show you. If you're having your money in your pockets, you can able to invest the money, you can directly start your own e-commerce business. Or else, mostly people think that, sir, I don't have products, how can I sell that one? So no problem. In Amazon, anything you can sell. So here I'll show you. Okay. So, normally people go for omelets, that eggs. After using that egg for omelet, that egg shells they will throw. Am I right? So that we by using that egg shells, we can create a product. We can sell it on Amazon. That is called eggshell powder. The small example I'm saying here. You can see one of the person he is selling eggshell powder, which 1 kg he is selling for 372 rupees. So it's a normal bottle, plastic bottle, which we are using in home, and he put one small sticker of his name, and he's selling that one. Okay, so that eggshells, whatever you are using, we can wash that eggshell, and you can keep it in dry in the sunlight. And second day, you can wash it with vinegar mixed with the water, and you can put it in dry. Again, third time you have to wash it in normal water. Once you dried that eggshells, just put the eggshells in the mixie and grind that one. Take that powder, and you can sell in Amazon. If you want more sales, you can go to other websites also like this. I'll show you. Exporters India. So like this, a lot of websites are there. I'll just explain all these things in classes. So eggshell powder in India. You can see a lot of people are asking from Kalai Kochi, West Godavari, Chittoor, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, India, Nellore. A lot of people are there, keep asking the eggshells. Just open any one of these one and see the listing. I am interested in buying eggshell powder. He wants 5 tons within the 30 days of span for reselling purpose. He needs monthly. So we'll keep get the orders from this person with the name of Vijay Nova. So we can start our own e-commerce business also like this. Apart from that, as I told you, we can earn money as a freelancers also like this, right? So we can get the projects in online itself, or if you're having a circle, you can get the projects in outside also from our own circle. Okay, so I'll show here a small example. You can see this is one of the clients which he asked me for a small website design. Okay, so I will teach you in the class personally completely about the digital marketing concepts, how to promote the business by using SEO, SEM, SMM, everything, and how to design a WordPress site without any coding knowledge, and how to start your own YouTube channel, everything, each and every concept, step by step, I will explain you in these 45 days of the course. I'll show you a small example. Once you know these concepts, you can get the clients like this. See, I just asked them for 4 lakh rupees for that website, and I told them that I will design this website in the span of 30 to 45 days. This is my last month income I am showing with a single project I am getting, how much amount I am getting, almost 4 lakhs. In that 70% they told that I will give in installments, and last 30% before I am going to submit the work to the client, final payment he will give 30%. So out of these 4 lakhs, he told April 6th 1 lakh, April 16th 1 lakh, April 26th 80K, like this he told. So April 6th, you can see they sent 50K and another 50K here. Okay, 1 lakh to be transferred to your account, sir. Again, April 15th 2021, again 50K here. Okay, and then one more 50K is done. And he told remaining balance 80K I'll send by May 7th, like that he told. So like that I keep getting the money from these projects. So like that, one way I'm getting the money from my personal, these my personal works actually, and I'm getting the money from blogging and vlogging, and I'm getting the money from my students giving the classes here. So total of my personal earnings apart from my business, my personal earnings are approximately I'm getting 10 to 15 lakhs per month by using these digital marketing techniques. Okay, even I too started doing all these works as a part-time only while I'm working in a company, MNC company with the name of Wipro. I started doing all these works as a part-time. Before I'm going to bed, before 1 or 2 hours of time, I'll work this one and then I'll go to bed. Okay, this is what the regular work I will do. After a few months or after a few years, what happened? Approximately after 1 year, 2 months, whatever the amount I'm getting from Wipro at the time I'm getting 70,000 as a take-home salary. So whatever the amount I'm getting from Wipro, the same amount I started getting in my online earnings by spending at least 2 hours of my time. So while doing part-time, I'm getting the same amount, whatever the amount I'm getting for my 8 hours of my time in Wipro. The moment I realized I quit the job in Wipro, I came outside, I started my own online business as a full-time. By the amount what I was earning because of these online earnings, I started my own company with the name of Adya Info Solutions Private Limited and Adya Global Traders. So I am into the business from past 2010 onwards. I'll show you because without any proof, I won't show any word. If you want to check DIN status, you know, DIN is nothing but Director Identification Number. Government of India will give DIN numbers only for the people who are running public limited company and private limited companies. You can submit. This is my DIN number in Government of India website. This is DIN number. My name is Shrikant Damara and DIN is approved. I am using the DIN from past 2010 onwards. From past 10 years, I am into the business. I am not only the trainer, I am a business owner too. And I am a business advisor too, which I gave business advisors to develop their business for a lot of companies here. Okay. Okay, guys, if you are really interested to learn all these concepts, if you want to start your own digital career, just let me know. Okay. Okay, all the best. See you soon.